The chapter that I am going to start today is linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation? Linear equation is that equation which has degree 1. That means the linear equation is the equation having degree 1. Then the next point is, what is equation? Equation is the statement of equality. Statement of equality. And I have told you linear equation in one variable. Then what is degree? Degree is the highest power of variable. Then the one question may arise here, what is variable? Variable is the quantity which varies. Now, one example may be, I bought 5 apples at rupees 20. I bought 5 apples at rupees 20. Here the variable is apple, because we can buy any types of apple, but we have to buy only 5 apple. So apple is variable and 5 and 20 is constant. Now how to solve the equation? The main thing is that how to solve the linear equation. If you are going to solve linear equation, you must have remember some points. Side change, sign change. The second point is same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract. Give the sign of bigger one, give the sign of bigger one, you will be exact. And the next point that we should remember, keep in your mind is, like terms are added or subtracted. Now, some examples may be of linear equation in one variable, like 8x plus 5 is equal to 3x. It is a linear equation because the power of x is 1 and the power of x is 1. So degree is 1. So it is a linear equation. And what are the variables? Here only one variable, that is x. Now how to solve it? At first you will have to keep variable in one side and constant in the other side. That means like terms in the same side. Plus 3x comes to minus 3x, plus 5 goes to minus 1. Here the sign are different, then the different sign are subtracted. 8x minus 3x is the 5x, and the sign of bigger one, bigger is plus, so it is plus, minus 5. And again x is equal to minus 5 by 5. 5 is in multiplication. When it will change, its side will come in division. This one minus 1. Similarly, you have some problem like 3x plus 5, 8x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 8. This is also a linear equation in one variable, because the degree of x is 1, the highest power is 1, and variable is x only. Then how to solve such type of problem? You have to make it cross multiplication. That is 8 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 8x plus 2. Cross multiplication. Then 8 is a 24x plus 40 is equal to 24x plus 6. And after calculation, what we get? 24x minus 24x is equal to 6 minus 40. That is 0 equal to minus 30. This is not possible. So this is a wrong equation. Similarly, we have another equation like 3x plus 5 by x equal to 5 by 4. How to solve it? First we will make it cross multiplication. 3x plus 5 is equal to 5 into x. 12x plus 5 4 is 20 equal to 5x. Then the next step, what should we do? We have to keep variable in one side and constant in the other side. That is 12x minus 5x is equal to minus 20. And here side change, sign change. Plus 5 comes to minus 5 and plus 20 goes to minus 20. 12 minus 5, 7x. Different sign subtract. Minus 20. X is equal to minus 20 by 7. Similarly, we can solve many problems with the help of 3 points that I have already written. Suppose if it is given to solve x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 is equal to 20. Then how to solve it? At first we will take LCM of 1 to 4 is 4. Then 4x, 2x plus x equal to 20. There is nothing in denominator, then we put 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7x by 4 equal to 20 by 1. Again cross multiplication will be there. 7x equal to 4 into 20. Then what does it mean? It means x equal to 80 by 7 is your answer. Now some word problem may like, I am telling some word problem. Suppose if it is asked you to solve a linear equation if 1/3 of any number is added to that number gives 40. Find that numbers. How to solve? The main thing is that to write this statement into equality. 1/3 of any number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then its 1/3 will be x by 3. Then what according to question? 1/3 of any number is added to that number and give 40. This statement become a linear equation in one variable. Again, this is linear equation because the degree of this equation is 1 and one variable. There is only one variable x. Now solve it. How to solve? LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. X plus 3x is equal to 40. 4x by 3 is equal to 40. Then after cross multiplication, 1 into 4x is equal to 40 into 3. X equal to 40 into 3 by 4. Side change, sign change. X is in multiplication. When it changes its sign, it will come in division. 4 tens are, that is x equal to 30. Then what was my question? That if a number is added to 1/3 of number, what we get? 40. This was my question. Next problem is like twice of any number, twice of any number is subtracted from that number. If twice of any number is subtracted from that number, we get minus. Find that numbers. Find that numbers. How to solve this? First of all, we will try to change this statement into equation. First of all, we will assume or suppose that the number is x. Let the number be x. And twice of that number, twice of that will be 2x. Now what according to question? Twice of a number is subtracted from a number. That is x minus 2x. And what we get? What we get? Minus 10. Twice of a number is subtracted from a number, we get minus 10. That is minus x equal to minus 10. X equal to 10. That number is 10. That means twice of that number is 20. And 20 is subtracted from 10, we get minus 10. Is it clear? Then mainly what the thing that we have to keep in our mind is that linear equation is a statement of equality having degree 1 and the degree of linear equation is 1. Variable is a quantity which varies, and in order to solve the linear equation we have to memorize 3 points: side change, sign change, same sign add and keep, different sign subtract, give the sign of bigger one, will be exact. Like terms are added or subtracted. You cannot subtract apple from mangoes. If it is asked you to subtract 5 apples from 10 mangoes, this is not possible to subtract. You can subtract 5 apples from 10 apples. So, as similar you can subtract x from x, y from y, not y from x. And there may be so many problems based on this linear equation. Suppose x by 5 is equal to 20. It is also a linear equation in one variable, and to find the value of x, cross multiplication, x equal to 20 into 5, that is x equal to 100. What are the main points? Degree of linear equation is 1. And there may be some problem that you can solve it very easily with the help of these formulas or concept. No more today. Keep studying. Thank you.